Hello guys, and good morning. I'm sorry, but you might hear someone cutting their grass in the background. So please excuse me for that. Welcome back, lifestylepreneurs. My name is Sandra, and on this channel we talk about early retirement. The purpose of this channel is to help women find a business model that will suit their lifestyle so that they can retire early. Okay, so that's what this channel is about. It took me a while to see how I wanted to structure my business and structure my channel. I have been a little MIA for some time. I did come back last week with videos, but like this business thing, guys, it's not an easy thing. But you have to keep grinding and moving forward and make changes when needed and when necessary. Okay, so much for that housekeeping mechanism or whatever. Anyway, today we're going to talk about um why you need Groove CM to start your business. And basically, I just want to give you an overview of what Groove has to offer. Here we are right now on Groove CM pages. And as you see, Groove is a better way to build funnels and sell digital products. Groove is an all in one, um, I call it a business in the box. Groove Funnel is one of the best automation marketing tools for new and established businesses. This is the great thing about it. Best of all, right now, like I said, Groove is going through a little bit of a change. They're going to be adding some things, um, taking away a few things, especially with the free offer that they have, which is free forever. But you probably won't get as much as you used to. They're also going to be bringing back the lifetime offer where you pay one price and never have to pay again. And they're also doing some other things, which is also offering you the opportunity that if you don't have the money to pay the full lump sum, they'll offer you an opportunity to actually come in and pay a monthly fee, which is very reasonable, and you can get grandfathered into that price if you act immediately. Okay, so we'll get into that, but let's first let me show you what Groove is about and what Groove has to offer. You can create website pages, funnels. They also offer checkout for like Kartra, Samcart, Thrivecart. They have a email automation system already built in. They have an affiliate, Groove Affiliate, which is if you have a product that you want to sell and you want to offer affiliates to sell it for you, they also have that for you as well. They have Groove Cart, where it's like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce, where you can offer physical products. They also have Groove Member. If you wanted to do coaching and offer membership, there's a place for that. You have Groove Video, you have a blog, you have the opportunity to do webinars on here as well. Groove Automation unlocks the true power of having all these features in one place. This takes the place of Kartra and Zapper bills, and the Groove Proof in Action, which I don't think it's ready yet, but I think it's coming soon. And that's just to name a few, guys. So let's look at the um, let's look at the Get Started for Free. Okay, so in the Get Started for Free section over here, this is what your startup plan is. You will get email marketing to your contacts, unlimited custom domains, unlimited hosting, page hosting, multiple gateways, including GroovePay, Stripe, PayPal. Like if you do have a store and you want to offer different ways to pay, you get imported pages, share funnels, templates, integration products, and e-commerce. Now, this free plan offers you can sign up for, and you do not need a credit card to sign up. Okay, ever. This is if you just want to try the free plan, you can. We do have trial offers um on other plans that are available, that will be coming available as well. But this is everything you get for your starter plan with Groove CM, or as they say, GrooveFunnels. It's easy drag and drop, custom over 350 templates and funnels. And right now, they have already signed up 650,000 people, with me being one of them. I have already signed up. I signed up early and got grandfathered in to the lifetime opportunity, which means that I don't have to pay a monthly fee. That is very great for business, especially for me, because I can continue to grow my business and have all the tools that I need right at the tip of my fingers. Now, here's the special offer I was referring to you earlier. If you were to sign up uh, with Groove, as like I say, for your business right now, I think they're saying at the time of this recording, and I'm going to put this recording up today, but right now you have 16 hours left to actually get this opportunity to sign up with Groove for a low monthly price of $99. As I said before, this is the grandfather this plan for a lock in for life. So if you sign up now, you will actually be saving $200. Once this goes away, the only way you can do that plan, this plan that they're going to be offering, is going to cost you $299 a month. And that's a big deal. That's really a big deal. You have the opportunity to have unlimited sends per month, which means for your email blast, premium email builder, unlimited custom domains, unlimited hosting sites, subdomains, imported pages, unlimited blogs, webinars, products, e-commerce stores, and also if you decide that you want to market Groove as an affiliate, you can get a 40% commission and a 10% commission. And the 10% commission, basically, how that's set up, not to get too much into it, but if you are interested in how their affiliate program works, please leave a comment below in the comment section, and I'll give you a more detailed video about that. But basically, the overview is the second tier is going to be a 10% commission on someone else's efforts, basically. Okay. Now, like I said, you only have 16 hours to get started in this, and I feel like Groove is a really great opportunity. It's very simple to work, no brainer, drag and drop. I've already started my blog, easy to set up funnels. You can do print on demand. You name it, you can do it. Guys, this is a one in a lifetime opportunity. If you are interested in getting started and want to check Groove out even for free, click the link under I Want to Groove with You, and you can get started today. Okay? Thank you guys. Have a good day, and I'll see you next time.